Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Luna update for Monday 20th of June. And as far as I'm looking at Luna, the technical target still is pending, and that actually takes you all the way down here to the 1.618. But there's a little bit of reversal patterns that is forming up for Bitcoin. I don't know. There are some technical targets, to be honest with you, that are looking for to the downside. Now, one thing is I'm going to tell you there's a big resistance here for Luna right now. So I'm going to show you that one very quickly. And that's going to be this level that you broke out of. And what I see is maybe a potential break to the downside and coming up here, but at the same time you're making something very bullish, and that actually is an ascending triangle. So look at this. Okay, you do have a low here, a higher low, and then a higher low, and that's actually coiling up to the upside. And I'm going to tell you the next technical target if you actually do end up breaking this, some sort of an ascending triangle. You haven't broken it out yet, but you're looking for an uprise of from there to there, and you might go from here, break it out. So the next technical target out of that ascending triangle can be 2.9. Wow, 2.9, man, that would be an amazing. Like from there to there, that's gonna be 34-35% to the upside. So the thing is that if you don't do that, remember, you can still break to the downside. As a matter of fact, especially when you're at resistance, you can actually be rejected and actually go back to where you form the triangle, which is going to be the 1.59. So keep in mind, you're going to have to keep both the scenarios in mind. It's all about breaking the resistance and going up to $2.9, and that actually makes sense. You can see the 10 EMA is actually there. And that's it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.